video, I'm gonna do unbox a product which I'm excited to because I've waited so long for this. Let's go. Okay guys, these are the two products which I bought, which is the Daiwa braided lane multicolor, 20 pounds, and also the main product which is the Abu Garcia MAX STX. Let's open the box and see what's inside the box. Okay, inside the box we get a free gift which is the soft plastic, and also we got the warranty card, a sticker, Abu Garcia sticker, and the main product is these guys, the Abu Garcia MAX STX. Okay guys, this is the Abu Garcia MAX STX BC reel, which has 6 bearings, and the weight of this BC is 210 grams, which feels lighter in your hand. And besides that, the gear ratio of this BC is 6.4, which means 1 full rotation of the handle is equals to 4 rotation inside the spool. Okay, over here we have the magnetic system, which plays a role as a braking system for this BC. Then you can adjust the tension of the braking, magnetic braking, by twisting it up and down. Okay guys, this is the start drag where you can adjust the drag of the BC, and this is the tension knob where you can adjust the tension inside the spool. Over here you have the clutch where you press to release your spool. And Abu Garcia MAX STX have this special on-off button, which is used for jigging, where you can just press this clutch to drop your bait and release whenever you want. To open the spool from this BC, you have this steel over here. You pull this and you twist this thing and pull, and to put it back, just load it and twist it down. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. In next video, I'm gonna teach how to spool this braided lane inside this bait casting reel.